First time drifting with my pops.
It is like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Better than a roller coaster.
Yes!
That was sick.
We are at Ride-along-orama. Here with my boy Matthew. He's never been drifting before, so first time for him. Should be fun. We parked up next to RX-8 stuff and the homie Fresco. Should be a good day.
Drip and drift.
Lap number 1. Nice. First time drifting with my pops. Let's go.
Damn!
Let's go.
Woo! That was nice. Woo! Man, that was different. It is like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Better than a roller coaster. Fuck. Whew. Golly.
But not as scary as you thought. Now that you've done it, your nerves aren't as bad anymore.
No, it's not the nerves. It's just the
like the
psychological
claustrophobia.
shit. Yeah, the claustrophobia to me is like a pain in the ass. How do you open it?
One. Top one.
This one?
Yeah. Whew. I was gonna stop because he spun out and I was like, ah, keep it going.
I saw you saw him, so I was like, I'm not gonna say shit. I know you saw him, so.
Just a little bit there.
What?
I overcooked it just a little bit there. I got a little spicy at the end, but overall it was a good lap. I was just really trying to push it there at the end. How was it, Matthew? Good day?
Good day.
Thanks for coming, bro. What a great day, y'all. First time Matthew rode with me, first time my dad rode with me, first time Ryan rode with me, first time I rode with Stephone. So a lot of firsts today. It was such a great day. Didn't get to do any tandems, but we got to do all those ride-alongs, so it was so worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I sure as hell did. I'll catch you on the next one, fam. Peace.